Water's presence on Earth is extraordinary, covering over 70% of the planet and making up around 60% of our bodies. This underscores its vital role for all forms of life. Scientists investigate various theories about the origins of Earth's water, including the intriguing idea that icy comets may have delivered it. These comets hold ancient ice dating back to the solar system's early formation. Studies of hydrogen isotopes in Earth's water and that of comets reveal notable differences, indicating that comets alone cannot explain our planet's water supply. This shifts research toward alternative sources. Mohs discovery of zircon crystals offers crucial insights into Earth's early history, suggesting that liquid water existed much earlier than once thought. This reshapes our perception of early planetary conditions. Research suggests that water may have been included in Earth's building blocks, challenging earlier assumptions. This new viewpoint opens up fresh possibilities for understanding planetary formation involving water. Dr. Mike Drake proposes a compelling theory that water could have condensed on dust grains in the early solar system, potentially serving as a primary source for Earth's oceans. This novel idea enriches planetary science. Asteroids, remnants from planet formation, are vital for uncovering the origins of Earth's water. These celestial bodies contain immense amounts of rock and metal, some of which may be wet. Research indicates that meteorites can share a similar water chemistry with Earth, suggesting a possible origin for our planet's water.
This revelation alters our understanding of planetary evolution.
Jupiter's gravitational pull significantly influenced Earth's formation, facilitating the mixing of wet and dry materials. This interaction led to models explaining how water came to be present on our planet. The giant impact theory describes the Moon's formation, attributing its dry composition to the angle of collision and debris distribution. Computer models support this theory, providing insight into our Moon's origins. The violent collision that formed the Moon generated enough energy to vaporize much of Earth's water. However, geological evidence indicates that water was likely present shortly after this cataclysmic event. Research shows that Earth's early molten rock acted like a sponge for water, allowing it to endure the harsh conditions during planetary formation. This finding holds key implications for understanding our water sources. Astronomers search the cosmos for rocky, Earth-like planets that might harbor conditions suitable for liquid water and potential life. So far, over 250 systems have been identified. Dr. Sean Raymond's computer models illustrate how planetary systems may form and acquire water, increasing the chances of discovering habitable worlds. These simulations reveal water delivery processes. The understanding that planets can receive water through various mechanisms, including comets, enhances the confidence in finding life-sustaining habitats. This opens new pathways for astrobiological exploration. Conchs feature specialized feet and operculum that enable them to navigate mudflats, showcasing their adaptive strategies to thrive in specific environments. Their eye stalks grant them a wide field of vision. Pelagic snails possess a unique ability to secrete a frothy liquid that forms a raft, allowing them to float while filtering food from the ocean. This adaptation highlights their incredible survival techniques. The nudibranch, a shell-less mollusk, feeds on stinging corals and stores toxins for defense. This adaptation underscores its unique role within the marine ecosystem. Giant clams present an amazing variety of colors and sizes, each one mesmerizing in its uniqueness. Their vibrant hues enhance the beauty of underwater landscapes. Hawksbill turtles exhibit remarkable behaviors while foraging through seaweed, offering photographers stunning opportunities to capture their elegance and interaction with the marine environment. Underwater photography aims to tell stories, where the interplay of marine life and context creates compelling narratives, moving beyond simple still images. Waves are influenced by energy transfer within water molecules, highlighting the distinction between water movement and energy flow. This understanding is crucial for deciphering wave behavior. Stingrays in the Caribbean display unique feeding behaviors shaped by their surroundings and the availability of food. Their interactions exemplify the complexity embedded in marine ecosystems. The visual aspects of underwater photography are significantly affected by light conditions and angles, altering the appearance of marine creatures such as stingrays. Different lighting dramatically changes the view. The rich biosphere surrounding seamounts attracts diverse species like snappers and groupers, providing shelter and nurturing a vibrant marine ecosystem. This interdependence highlights the intricacies of ocean life. Global warming and coral reef bleaching severely impact marine organisms, risking the extinction of iconic species such as turtles and whales. Raising awareness and taking action are essential to mitigate further ecological harm. Florida's geological features, including blue holes, represent largely unexplored realms that harbor secrets of marine biodiversity and nutrient cycles. Continued research is vital for understanding their ecological significance. A team of exploration divers has identified over 20 blue holes, each hosting unique ecosystems that attract species like Goliath grouper and whale sharks. Their discoveries underscore the ecological importance of these habitats. Technical divers utilize specialized gas mixtures to safely explore depths beyond 300 feet, crucial for avoiding nitrogen narcosis and ensuring effective scientific investigations during dives. Scientists gather water samples and analyze chemical compositions at various depths to grasp nutrient dynamics. This research seeks to evaluate potential impacts on marine life and broader ecosystems. Sediment analysis reveals nutrient levels that fluctuate with depth, highlighting the significance of sediment composition in nutrient cycling and microbial activity within the blue hole. Microbial communities at varying depths exhibit distinct characteristics, suggesting minimal mixing and unique adaptations to the blue hole's low oxygen environment. The study's findings on nutrient accumulation and microbial interactions enhance our understanding of ecological processes in similar underwater environments. Algal blooms were once sporadic but have become widespread, posing threats to marine life and disrupting local ecosystems. These changes raise alarms about long-term environmental effects. Nutrient pollution from agricultural runoff and sewage is fueling harmful algal blooms. This not only degrades water quality but also negatively impacts tourism and local economies. Harmful algal blooms, such as red tide, pose direct risks to human health, causing respiratory issues and necessitating medical attention. Understanding their dynamics is crucial for public safety. Seabirds display alarming symptoms during red tide events, including disorientation and difficulty maintaining balance. This neurological effect can lead to their demise or require human intervention. Marine animals like sea turtles and manatees also suffer from the toxic effects of red tide, leading to disorientation and difficulties in surfacing. Prompt human intervention can facilitate their recovery. Humans are also at risk from red tide, as airborne toxins can trigger respiratory issues, particularly in vulnerable populations such as those with asthma. Awareness of affected beaches is crucial for ensuring safety. Cyanobacteria blooms produce various toxins. Some result in short-term effects, while others, like BMAA, may lead to long-term health problems such as Alzheimer's. Ongoing research aims to clarify these risks. A multidisciplinary team at the University of Miami investigates airborne toxins from cyanobacteria, employing a wave tank to simulate conditions for toxin transfer. This research seeks to understand potential health impacts. Research is also exploring potential beneficial uses of cyanobacteria toxins for cancer treatment, aiming to identify new compounds that could lead to breakthroughs in medical therapies. Corals affected by spills were discovered to be as old as 600 years, underscoring their vulnerability to environmental fluctuations and emphasizing the importance of conservation initiatives. The dirty blizzard phenomenon illustrated how oil and dispersants from the surface rapidly impacted marine ecosystems, highlighting the complexities of oil spill dynamics and raising concerns about the long-term health of deep-sea environments. Research indicates that the dispersants used during the spill stressed microorganisms, hindering their ability to degrade oil. This may affect strategies for future oil spill responses, as understanding nutrient levels could enhance biodegradation efforts. Mandy's research emphasizes the risks associated with using dispersants in oil spill remediation without fully assessing their ecological consequences. Understanding these effects is essential for effective environmental management. Modeling research conducted after the Deepwater Horizon spill showed that natural processes can disperse oil more efficiently than previously understood. This challenges the necessity for dispersants in deep water scenarios. The shift towards ultra-deep oil wells raises important concerns regarding preparedness for future spills, suggesting that regulatory measures may not sufficiently address the heightened risks tied to deeper drilling operations.